Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Vanika and this is Vanika TV. Remember to subscribe to my channel, hit those post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post another video. So yes guys, today video is a Q&A, getting to know Vanika, right, which is me. I did a video like this before, but I felt that I wasn't confident in the video, and then that video is like 2 years ago. So I'm going to be reintroducing myself to my subscribers in case they never got to watch that video, right? So remember to follow me on other social media handles, right? So I'm on TikTok at Fanika LKG, on also on Instagram at Fanika. It's the same Fanika TV as my Facebook, as my YouTube channel, and I also have Facebook, which is Erica Shackelford, so you guys can follow me there. We might change, so my plan to change my Facebook name. I will change me. I will say I can change my Facebook name to Fanika TV as well, and take down my, my full government name from fight. So yeah guys, I want to say thank you to 19 subscribers. So yes guys, I'm at 19,000 subscribers. I want to say thank you for all the support that I've been getting on my channel, guys. Let's see if we can get to 20,000 subscribers. So yes guys, so this video is like a reintroduction of me being on YouTube. So firstly, before me start the questions, I've had a YouTube channel from 2022. So this channel, I've had this channel from 2022, which is what, 3 years since I have August next month I will make 3 years since I had this YouTube channel, right? The channel, guys, is mostly about me, right? So it's mostly about me. I'm just living in the rural area of Jamaica, right? So that's what the channel is about, and the beauty of Jamaican women. So yes, that's what my channel is about. For my subscribers who like my bathing videos, I'm posting them on another exclusive page. You can check my Instagram for that. So that's why I'm telling you guys my Instagram. So my Instagram is Fanika TV as well. Yes, I'm on the road to 10,000 followers on my Instagram, and on TikTok I'm on the road to 200,000 followers on my TikTok, right? So let's see if we can reach that milestone before my birthday. So yeah, so we're gonna get into the Q&A, guys. So my first question, because I take questions from where people mostly ask me, right? Either on Instagram or on TikTok. So yeah, so one of the main questions they ask me is where I am from. So guys, I hope that this video goes a far away, and a lot of my subscribers and followers from both TikTok and YouTube can see this video. So guys, I'm from Jamaica, sorry. I'm from Jamaica. I'm a Jamaican woman, right? Most people always ask me if I'm from Ghana, Sierra Leone. No, I'm Jamaican, right? And the second most frequent asked question is, which language do I speak? So I am in Jamaica. The main language is Patois, right? Which but Jamaicans know English, which is it's kind of the same. I don't see the difference between the Patois and the English. Only thing, the Patois might just not so understandable to everybody, but I think that it's the same, right? So, I speak English, guys. English. That is the language that Jamaican people speak, right? So, yes. What the next frequent? Oh my God. Oh yes, this is the next frequent question, guys. I do not live in a jungle. Matter of fact, I don't even live far away from the main town in my parish, right? So I'm not gonna see lions. I'm not gonna see bears. No, guys. The only thing me I go see a chicken, wild chicken, dog, cause this is Jamaica, right? I'm gonna feel. Me not think we have no wild animals here in a Jamaica. So yeah, I don't live in a jungle. I live like walking distance from the main town in the parish that I am from. So yes, guys, and so forth. So that is one of the other questions. And also, people always ask me when me feed pan. So they say, "What do you eat? What are you eating?" Guys, um I was born 1995, so I practically eat the same thing that the Americans eat. Fry, 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 fry. Me no depend on specific diet. Me no even really eat ground provisions like that. Maybe one time I used to eat it, but now I'm mostly a rice and flour person. Mostly rice and flour me eat. Um, me love me KFC, me like my pizza, and me also, me like me Pepsi. I buy a lot of Pepsi. Yeah, I feel like every week I consume up to 6 bottles of Pepsi. When me ready, me will go in at the supermarket and me will buy a one the big jug them of Pepsi. So yeah, guys, I'm not on any specific diet. I was born this way. Me not eat nothing for look like how me look, right? I'm of African descent, so naturally black women have thick legs and thick curves. So yeah. Uh, so that is another frequently asked question that most of my followers ask me, and also them always ask me if I'm single, which I feel like if it's so obvious, because if I was in a relationship, I feel like I would see it by now, for my page, right? But somewhere I feel like we not see it. So yeah, guys, that is another frequent question, which mostly asked by men, and I'm just gonna make this very clear, guys. I only date men, right? So I'm just gonna make that clear in this video. Say I am not into the bi. I am, which it don't really matter to me. It's just my preference. I am a man. I go to guys. I like guys. Me no want no woman. Me no see no woman. Me no find a woman attractive. That is just me. Everybody has their preference, and my preference is boys, men, opposite sex, right? So just putting that out there, because I have been getting some weird messages and rainbow picture from women. Yeah, so I'm just putting it out there. When they say love man like dog, yeah, I feel like me fall underneath that category there. So yes, guys, that is it. So I'm going to be answering the rest of the questions. So One of the questions is when is my birthday. So guys, I was born September the 10th. Yes, I'm going to be 30 in a couple months. Yeah, so I'm leaving my 20s. I'm going into my big woman era. So the things that I used to do before, I feel like all of them things are supposed to go away. So yeah guys, me no think like I'm 29 now. Me no feel say me supposed to reach 39 and single. I'm supposed to be a married woman. Yes, so that is the first question. That is one of the questions. And guys, I am a Virgo. Boop, boop, boop. Virgo, yeah. I'm a Virgo. That is my sign. I'm already telling them my age. I'm 29. I'm going to be 30 on September. It's the end of my 20s era. And guys, I would love if my subscribers can write some little birthday ideas that I can do for myself. I feel like I want to go on one camping and do like one little picnic. I don't know, I want to do something natural or I don't know yet. I don't know, but I want to do something special for my 30th birthday. You know, so I want cake. I want cake with 30 candles sticking eye. I'ma blow the whole of them one time. So yeah. I think I want that for my birthday. I want nice dress. You know, I don't know if I walk in heels, but I like one low heel there. So I can step, you know. I'm good to go. So yeah. My favorite color. Me not really have no favorite color. But me realize me have a pattern, like the color clothes them me buy is like they not bright. You know, it's like all this mostly white. It's like I'm buying a lot of what does call it, like nude, light pink, and just light clothing overall. So me that say, but I know me not like bright color. But I forget some variety of different colors in my wardrobe. That's why I want to watch my videos, guys. Watch the ads as well. Yeah, so the next question is what is my height? I'm 5'4". Either 5'4" or 5'5". I mean, yeah, you know, so me used to say me short, and then me I realize say me I talk to some people, and when they look me realize that they're shorter than me. So me I say them about 5'2", 5'3", or 5, you know, then shorter than me. So that is it. The next question is what is my biggest fear? So I have the fear of, I don't know. It something where have it happen to me because from your born you have it dead. So my biggest fear, I mean, is me always sometimes I think about it. No, I mean I would say always, but me always like fear how me I go feel when me know say these days are my last days or these are my last hours on earth. Me one day me I go happy, me one day me I go sad, or me I go ask why. Me don't know, but that's just me. So yeah, that is my biggest fear. Is my biggest fear is death. Yeah, that is it. There is nothing else nobody can do me when me can't get over. You do me something, you get a reaction out of me, then it gone. Me nah go out the ponder. Like I never ponder for too long. Like if me give me reaction, he done this so. Erica na think about you, Erica na carry. Erica don't care, right? So I don't really have fears, like fear of somebody doing me this or somebody doing that. First of all, I'm not even gonna wait. So anybody that go do me nothing, they must go come on me yard. The next question is, who is my favorite female artist? Me not have no specific female artist because me listen to a lot of different musicians. Me love Rihanna when she did in her Rihanna era, you know. Me love her. Me love Nicki Minaj. Me just like her Nicki Minaj look. Overall, me love Cardi B. Like, me love Cardi B. You know, her music, it really speaks to you that, you know, you not to look down upon nobody, because the same person will look down upon I go surpass you. Because I remember watching her on Love and Hip Hop, and to me she was one of the underdogs. Like they must say, oh yeah, stripper, go away. I see she reach you have to say she reach the work hard. She reach you know, majority of the people them way that look down upon her. So it doesn't really matter. It just shows that it doesn't matter where you're coming from, as long as you have the determination and you have big dreams. So yeah, and you are willing to fulfill them. Kudos to you, right? So yeah, that is I'm also like is Sia. Also, yeah, I like Sia. I like Unstoppable. I love Unstoppable. I love Chandelier. I don't know who to say I'm a favorite artist. I love Shensia. I love Shensia. I love Jada Kingdom. I don't know who to say I'm like who stand out and who me listen to. The who out of every out of my lifetime, guys. Like my lifetime from the different world. The artists when me ever repeat our song them, have them on repeat and repeat and repeat, is Mary J. Blige. She did sing the song in a Waiting to Exhale. Yeah, from me I pick me and listen to that the song. And I sing it, so that would you know, I'm sharing my favorite artist, right? But me love that song there. So me don't really have a favorite artist. Me like Kilani, me love Kilani, me listen to Kilani. Now me have folded pan repeat, so you know. And which song me did have pan repeat what day too? Oh my god, me have one next female song. Ayara, one African girl. Oh my god, her name. Ayra, her name pronounced. Me don't know if me go say it right because me never hear them say her name before. Me have to go watch one of her performance in my ear when they call out her name to know the right something there. I like Tyler too. So yeah. So the next question is, who are your favorite male artists? Which is the same. I don't have a favorite because me listen to everybody, but out of everybody me love Javinji more. Yeah, me listen to a lot of Javinji. Me feel like say I'm the best. Me don't know, him voice just me can't hear one Javinji song and have to sing to it. If me not sing to it, I must know me not know it. And as me left, me go home and me find it from YouTube and me listen to it so me can sing it word to word. So me love Javinji. So me just say him my favorite male artist. What's my next question? Oh, the next question is describe yourself. So if you describe myself to my subscribers, like this, like personality wise overall. So Me that say no. No. Me that say me a nice person. I would say I'm a nice person. You love animals because me have 9 kittens. As you can see, me always love animals from me a picnic. Like what I wanted to be when me grow up. I wanted to be a veterinarian, but it wasn't like a veterinarian that just stays in one place. Like me, didn't want like go all over the world to take care of animals. Right now, remember when me younger, like me, I say me want like whole heap of land, like me want one big land space where me can have like everywhere me go and see the animals when need help. Me just take them, carry them, put them on the land. They then have big space can run up and down, and so that is what I wanted to be, a veterinarian. I don't know. Maybe one day we can, maybe when we reach in my 40s, we can explore that dream. But we are focused on a different dream now, right? And so yeah, um, I would say let me describe myself good, right? So me not like what me not like about myself. The only thing me not like about myself is that maybe I might react to things before thinking, which I feel that majority of us do it. Yes, that is the only thing where I have a problem with myself, but otherwise I'm good. Also, me not like myself. Sometimes forgetful. Yeah, sometimes I don't remember things, and then sometimes I wish I had patience. Like I do not have patience. Me not like when people try to teach me because me not like feel like me dumb, and when you teach me, make me feel like you think say me dumb, right? That's why I cannot date a man that is old enough to be my father, because from they reach that certain from yeah young girl and them a big man for you, automatically they want teacher, and you can't tell them nothing because them been through them claim to say them know more than you because them older. So me not like me not like that because me not have the patience for just balance that. Me not have the patience. So yeah, that's why I feel like yeah, that's why I'm not in a relationship or I'm not married already, because I just don't have the patience. I'm like when things go my way. If it not go my way, it a go first of all, me I look on it and me really need you because I have on and foot and I have education. I went to a very prominent high school, so me can do anything where I give me can make it for myself. So that is my mentality towards that. So I would not date somebody based on me not go date somebody because they can't give me something. Right? Which me not go talk to nobody we can't give me nothing same way, but me just I say me not go just base it off of that. Because if me not have a patience for you, go along. So that is me. The next question is, do you have kids? So yes, I am a mother of 2 boys. Yes, so I have children. Somebody said, when did you start posting on YouTube? So I started posting on YouTube in 2022. I think my first video was posted in September. Yeah, so I started posting on YouTube in 2022. In 2024 I start be consistent because of different factors. First me did lose my phone. Me constantly did I lose phone, guys, And then 2022, me did get sick as well. I was in the hospital for 4 days. You know, so me did sick in the hospital. And up till now, the hospital people then couldn't tell me what do me. Up till now, then just did say I have one infection and me liver, like something with my liver, like my liver that try did that produce something to kill the infection, something like that. They did say. I do not remember. But yeah, and but me did sick for before me go to hospital. Me did sick for about 1 week before me go to the hospital because I realized that the pain now go away and me have vomit as me eat nothing, so me not too much pain to even eat, and me did lose all the weight, so that's why me never really post much when me just did start my YouTube channel, and then me never really know what to post either. Cause me never use. I wasn't a social media person when me just start my YouTube channel because when me never know say normal people could have just post on YouTube. I feel like I own celebrities because me just used to watch music videos. Me never know say you can create a YouTube channel and upload where you want to upload. So me never really have the knowledge about it. So yeah. And it's good. I recommend everybody to start their YouTube channel. It's not going to be easy, guys, because for me, I've had my channel from 2022. I mean, I tell you, say it's not an easy road, especially posting content and what people actually want to watch, you know, and stuff. I feel like consistency is key. As long as you're consistent, I feel like you will get views no matter what you post. As long as it is advice, you know, advertisement, around penny, you're good. Yeah. So I feel like that is that is the main thing. If anything at all, you have to be consistent, right? So if, because I remember saying, you know, every day you gotta work, you know. Remember say you gotta work Monday to Friday, sometime Monday to Saturday, and you will get a 1 or 2 day off. So it's the same thing as YouTube. You have to be consistent on it to really see growth, because the first time I really see my channel grow is last year when I did really consistent and did a post and did a go live on the channel. That's how I really see my channel grow from 100 subs to 10,000 subscribers. Like, it was so surprising because I got 10,000 subscribers, I think less than 3 weeks, and then you know we get 8,000, and then things happen with YouTube and I stop post. So yeah, guys, so I'm trying to be consistent, interact with my subscribers more, and just put out my content. You're going to get backlash from people, but I'm just saying, guys, do what makes you happy. I feel like people should be free to do whatever, and as long as you're not breaking the law, I feel like you are free to do whatever that makes you feel fulfilled and blessed, right? A next person can work work you know and then feel fulfilled and happy. You decide, say you want to be a media person, you want to be anything at all. It doesn't matter what it is. I feel like people should respect it as your means of income, And that is it, and advice for, although I'm a new YouTuber, I wouldn't say I'm an old YouTuber. Advice for people who is starting a YouTube channel. I'm gonna advise you guys, if you decide to start a YouTube channel, be consistent. Don't expect to, although you can't expect anything still because you can't expect anything because you know why I say you can't expect anything. You don't know your growth. Remember, there's 1 billion people in the world, so you will new and you start post your content and you start get followers so quick, and the next person we are post for years, and not get your success, right? Because I remember when I just started YouTube and I was talking to this person at the time, and they had a YouTube channel, right? And I said to them, say, can you subscribe to my YouTube channel? I asked him, right? Can you subscribe to my YouTube channel? The person is like, them take the link, we give them the link of the channel, and then go on it. Then go on the link, but them just go for look how much subscribers I had, and then time them would have like 100 subscribers. And listen now, when we give them the link, it was in 2023 when I gave them the link of my channel, and them did a laugh and I said, oh, me have more subscribers than you. Them, I think them did have like a 2,000 subscribers, and nobody now go them did tell me say nobody now go subscribe to my channel, so yeah. So when me pass for them channel now, I may have, me I tell them if you subscribe, and then go on here, me I tell them how much me have, like they were in so much disbelief, cause them keep like me keep on not tell them say me have 18,000 subscribers, and me find 18,000 subscribers are 1.8k subscribers, and me say no, I have 18,000 subscribers. So don't listen to the noise, don't watch say our next person have more, just put out your content, because you don't know if people are gonna gravitate to your to your thing, and you start grow. So yeah guys, that's the end of the get to know me video, guys. Remember to follow me on my other social media handles. Also hit the post notification bell on this channel. Please, if you're passing through this video and you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get me to 25,000 subscribers. Bye guys.